Hey coffee lovers! What if I told you that your favorite brew could turn into a creamy, healthy, and absolutely delicious smoothie? Stay tuned, because today we're blending the magic of coffee into a power-packed treat you'll love. Did you know that coffee not only energizes you but can also be the star ingredient in a smoothie loaded with nutrients? Forget your usual cup. This recipe will give your mornings a refreshing twist. Alright, let's dive in. Here's what you'll need for our coffee smoothie. 1 cup of brewed and chilled coffee. Go for your favorite blend. 1 frozen banana. This adds natural sweetness and creaminess. Half a cup of Greek yogurt, packed with protein to keep you full. 1 tablespoon of almond butter, for healthy fats and flavor. A dash of cinnamon, because why not? Optional. Add a touch of honey or your favorite sweetener if you like it sweeter. Now, let's get blending. Start by adding the chilled coffee to your blender. Toss in the frozen banana, Greek yogurt, and almond butter. Sprinkle in that dash of cinnamon for a hint of warmth. Blend until smooth and creamy. And there you have it, a rich, velvety coffee smoothie that's not just delicious but also healthy. Pour it into your favorite mug or glass, add a straw, and sip your way to a better day. Quick, simple, and oh so satisfying. This coffee smoothie is perfect for busy mornings, a midday pick-me-up, or even a post-workout treat. If you're loving the idea of coffee beyond just drinking it, check out our last video on a DIY coffee scrubs. Unleash the beauty magic of coffee. Discover how this magical bean can do wonders for your skin too. Thanks for exploring with me on Tea and Coffee Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fun recipes and coffee-inspired tips. See you next time.